What's up, Glam Crew? It's your girl, Nikki, the Glam Teacher. I'm running late for date night, y'all. I'm going on a solo date night. I laid in the bed, right there. I was comfortable all day long, all day long. I just got up, showered. It took me a minute to figure out what I was gonna do. I'm gonna do a candle making class and sip and paint. I went and bought my wine. Let me get dressed while I talk. I didn't put on no lotion. I don't have time for lotion. I ordered some Waffle House real quick. I ate that Waffle House in like 3 bites. Y'all, I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna wear. It's kind of cold. I don't have a pedicure. I have been neglecting my self-care, and yeah, I can tell that I'm just slowly slipping into like not a happy space. So that's why I need to get myself together and go enjoy myself. Plus, Valentine's Day, I paid for a babysitter, right? And my plans didn't go like I wanted them to go. So I had to cancel, or not cancel because they don't allow you to reschedule. So this look cute. So my plans didn't go as planned. Yeah, I'm gonna get into it in the video, y'all. So I had to reschedule, or I would have just lost out on my money and the sitter cost. Did we ever figure out how this was supposed to go, y'all? The sitter cost $25 per hour. And yeah, I had to pay 50% of the cost up front. So I didn't want to miss out on my money that I paid. So I just went on ahead and found me an activity to do. So we are gonna go do that. I'm assuming, I don't know. I couldn't figure out what this went for. I think we figured it out in my last try on haul. I'm not sure. But this is what we got going on, y'all. I was just in the bed, not doing nothing. How my hair look? A little crazy, a little bit. I'm glad, like, I didn't turn into a makeup girly yet, because I don't feel like putting on makeup. This light is... Now how we looking? Yeah, that's better, because that light back there was irritating my soul. Yeah, so, perfume. This lasts literally all day long. It is my absolutely new favorite, and I think this is gonna be my forever favorite, because I do that. They wanna know who's that girl. La 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 la. Okay. Honestly, y'all, I would just be extra. You don't need that much, but you're gonna smell good all night long. And I feel like I need to put that in the back because it was choking me a little. I don't know if it was the perfume or if it was me. Now my bra is showing. Come on, outfit. Come on, outfit. Okay, I'll see y'all at the place. Bye, Glam Crew. I made it. I'm a little late. All right, Glam Crew. So let's get into this solo date. I had the best night that I have had in a long time, and I did it all by myself. Now, usually I will go on solo dates and my son may be with me, or I just will not record myself because I get a little shy and I don't want a lot of people looking at me. But y'all, everything is content. Literally, everything is content. So I pulled out my tripod and I am going to record it. And I got my favorite wine, Roscato. And this wine is quite popular. Everyone asked me how did it taste, and I was explaining to them it is a sweet red wine. I fell in love with it years ago at Olive Garden. Very delicious wine, and it's very inexpensive. You can grab a bottle at your local grocery store for about $11. So we are painting a waterfall, and right now it's not looking like nothing. But I'm telling y'all, it came together. Some parts during the night I was looking like, I was questioning it because I was a little unsure. But as the drinks were flowing, y'all, I was getting into it. I was feeling it, y'all. And then I got myself some flowers. I bought myself some snacks. And at my local Kroger, and I've seen this at Publix as well, they have pre-packaged charcuterie type materials like crackers, cheese, maybe some pepperoni or turkey. So if you plan on doing like a picnic or a date night, painting, like something you want like some quick snacks, go to your local grocery store and they may already have pre-packaged stuff, and it'll make a quick and easy setup for you. And they were also inexpensive. I think I spent $30 for flowers, the snacks, the crackers and cheese, plus my bottle of wine, $30. And then the painting was $59. Plus, I added on the candle, and that was $20. So, if you go on Groupon, you can get like a discount for the sip and paint. That is how I found sip and paint. I was just bored in the house looking for something to do for the day. And I was just, y'all, when I tell y'all I was in the house bored and I needed to use this babysitter or I was just going to lose out on my money. So originally, Valentine's Day, I had plans, and this guy was just, playing Mr. Big Money, but he was pretty much faking it till he made it and was just trying to win me over. And when I called him out on it, I was like, this ain't gonna work for me. Like, don't come with me with that fake energy. I don't give off fake energy. I don't like that. Be who you are and let me choose if you are the type of person I want to be with or not. So I canceled those Valentine's Day plans and rescheduled the babysitter. So here I am, so I don't lose out on my babysitting money. And that's how I found out that he was so-called not Mr. Big Money, because, y'all, he couldn't even pay for the babysitter. So let me tell y'all, do not depend on nobody to make you happy, and do not expect other people to treat you like you treat yourself. I treat myself really good, really well. I love to do unique experiences. I love to travel, and when I travel, there is no budget. If I want something, I'm going to get it. I might wait a few days to decide, but overall, I do not tell myself no. So if a man come in my life and he try to tell me no, then you're disqualified automatically. So pretty much that is what I have been experiencing lately. And so now I'm like, yeah, you guys cannot be draining out my good energy. So I am back to dating myself and protecting my peace. I tried to, open up the door a little bit and, give room for dating. And yeah, one day the big man is going to place somebody for me. That person is going to find me. But right now I am back to doing what I want to do when I want to do it. Because like I said, I know what I like, and I don't want to disappoint myself. I don't disappoint myself. So, boom. Here we are making the candle. I picked out a ocean and a clean, fresh clean scent. And making the candle was really easy. They had everything set up, and the instructor, y'all, he was super, super sweet. He was super funny. He already has a partner because I was going to try to, holla at my boy, holla at him. But yeah, he already got a partner. Everybody in there was like with their friend, their boo. There was a couple that was on their first date. They were so cute. And then here I was just, doing my own thing. And even though I was alone, everybody made me feel welcomed. We were telling jokes. There was music playing. The playlist was like really good. It was like a bit of pop, new pop, old pop. It was just a really good playlist. The environment was clean. There was plenty of supplies. I really enjoyed myself, y'all. Like, I'm going to have to make this a monthly thing for me to do. And the fact that it wasn't that expensive, yeah, I'm definitely going to have to try this out. I think next time I go out, I want to go to the spa. I definitely would like to try something a little bit more interactive. I love going to Top Golf, but so does my son. I kind of want to try it without him. I don't know. I think he might be a little upset though. So back to the painting. Oh, y'all, in splatter paint, I definitely want to try splatter painting. It kind of reminds me of paintball a little bit. I don't know if I'm ready for paintballing nowadays because it might be a little too rough, and I'm in my soft girl era. So yeah, here I am. I'm just questioning my painting, and I'm looking around seeing if I'm doing it right. And honestly, there is no right or wrong when it comes to this painting. And the instructor, he's like telling us little ways and tricks. You can try it this way, you can try it that way. It actually came out kind of nice, and I was so surprised. I thought this was a more complex painting, but it's not that bad actually. And here I am about to make the little trees. You got the waterfall. And I kept changing it up. I kept adding stuff. I kept putting a little bit more white to make it lighter. Then I'm like, oh, let me add dark, a little black to darken it up. And I'm like, girl, just dab a little this, dab a little that. And yeah, after I started just dabbing this and dabbing that, I was liking the outcome. So just go in with a clear mind. Have fun. It doesn't have to be perfect. No one is going to judge you and say, oh, that's ugly. Don't do this. Don't do that. Like, everyone is just like in their own zone having fun. And the instructor will come around and be like, hey, it looks good, or try this or try that. I took one of these classes before. If you want to buy a painting like the one that the instructor does, you can buy their painting, and it's really cheap. Like, I think I bought the instructor's painting for like $20 at a Briar class. But I was excited how mine turned out, and then I tried to do like a little bit of reflection in the water with the pink. And y'all, coming up, you're going to see this painting actually glows in the dark, or I think it glows under a blue light. I don't know if it's any type of dark, but I'm going to show you towards the end of the video. Now, this Riscata, it's only 7% alcohol, but I promise you, it feel like a little something more. It's really smooth. It's really relaxing. It doesn't sneak up on you. It definitely mellows you out. Please drink responsibly, little disclaimer. They have blow dryers in the back so you can dry your painting off if you are a little heavy-handed or if you're in a rush to leave out. And I put my candle in the refrigerator so that it can harden up a little bit quicker. I was supposed to make my candle before the painting, but as y'all saw, I was running a little late because I was literally in the bed. I did not feel like getting out of bed. But y'all, don't become that person where you neglect yourself. See, this is where it lights up. Do not neglect yourself. Get out of the house, take a bath, call a friend, take a walk, get fresh air. You will feel so much better afterwards. Now, because I still had more time from the babysitter, I went to go try me out a little hookah lounge, and it's like a little Afrobeat slash Mediterranean hookah lounge, and it was pretty decent, y'all. So I had this whole little room by myself. I was in there smoking my hookah. And the Mediterranean place, they have like good hookah that's not going to choke you up and make you just feel like, ugh. Yeah, all hookah is not the same. So if you choking up, it's not good hookah. So the music was good. And then a party came in, like a little Indian party, and they switched the music and I wasn't really feeling it. So there was a guy that had walked in and he was like, hey, do you want to come back to our room? We're playing Afro beats back here. You can join us. And I'm like, yeah. And they had like alcohol. It's bring your own bottle at this place. So you can bring like whatever you want to bring in there. And then I'm in the bathroom feeling myself because I had a couple shots of tequila. This place was clean. They have food. Like I said, you control your own music in the back private room. They have TVs. It was nice. And all of this is in the same area. So like I like that I did not have to drive far. And let me tell y'all, this was a Saturday night. Usually Saturdays are pretty busy and expensive. But if you look on Groupon, you will find a lot of things to do in your area for the low. Like I said earlier, this was the best night. The only thing, I came home, y'all, and I was so lit. I did not eat. I ate a little bit of Waffle House, but not really like some good food. So next time I plan a solo date, I'm going to make reservations somewhere nice. I'm going to go downtown, eat me a good meal, do a nice activity, then go hit a little lounge, and then go out. Yeah, my knees is weak, y'all, but ooh, I was feeling old. Honestly, getting old, y'all. All I can do is travel and cut up when I'm out traveling. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this like every other week or monthly. But that's how my painting turned out. And this is my candle. And I actually burnt it today and it smells amazing. Like it filled my living room and all the way to the bathroom. It smells amazing. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me some good ideas for solo dates, or what do y'all do as like a couple? Yeah, gotta snatch this wig off, jump in the shower, and go get into bed. Twerk, twerk, twerk. Goodbye.